In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PHP on Hostgator. This process should take about 5 minutes, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly upgrade your PHP version, ensuring your website runs smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by visiting Hostgator's official website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to hostgator.com. Once the page loads, you'll find a sign in option prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. It's important to ensure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your Hostgator account, so have those details handy before you begin. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Hostgator homepage. Here you'll see a menu or a dashboard overview depending on your account type. Look for an option labeled Website and click on it. This will take you to a page where all your domains and hosting services are listed, giving you a good overview of the sites you manage through Hostgator. Now locate the specific domain or hosting service where you want to update the PHP version. You should see a settings option beside each site. Click on settings for the site that needs the PHP update. This action will direct you to a settings page dedicated to that particular domain, where various configuration options are available. On the settings page, you'll notice several tabs or sections related to different technical settings of your website. Here, look for the section that mentions PHP version. In most cases, this will display the current version your site is running, perhaps something like PHP 7.4 or another iteration. Click on the PHP version link or button, which will usually provide a drop-down or list of available versions to which you can upgrade. Select the PHP version you wish to upgrade to. In our example, you aim for PHP 8.3. It's important to choose a version compatible with your website and any applications running on it. If you're unsure which version to select, it's always a good practice to check your CMS or software documentation for compatibility recommendations. Once you've selected your desired version, confirm the change. Hostgator will implement the update, which might take a short moment. During this time, refresh your website to ensure everything functions as expected. With the PHP version updated, your website should benefit from improved performance and security. And there you have it, your PHP version is now updated. Regularly keeping your PHP up to date is crucial for maintaining optimal website performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.